EPA-registered BioCide 100 is used by professional mold remediation companies throughout the country, but it's also the industry's best-kept secret. That is, until we made our products available to everyone. We credit the widespread popularity in the remediation community to our ethanol charge formula. This high level of ethanol breaks down cell walls and fine particulates from toxic pathogens, effectively killing 99.9% of mold, bacteria, and viruses, including COVID-19, in just one treatment. BioCide 100 is designed with safety in mind, holding an EPA classification of hospital grade. This makes our products safe to use in almost any environment, ensuring your DIY remediation process is as easy as possible. BioCide 100 is a ready-to-use product that has many versatile options for application, ranging from cold fogging machines, garden pump sprayers, quart head sprayers, and direct surface applications with a rag or sponge. It's no wonder that mold remediation companies don't want you to know that you can get the same professional results for a fraction of the cost with BioCide 100, the most advanced ethanol-charged, hospital-grade antimicrobial disinfectant on the market.